Hello and welcome back to my Lean Physique channel. So if you're wondering why I haven't posted any training videos in the past week, is because I actually took 6 days off out of the 7 because it's very important when you reach that 8 to 10 week phase in the training to actually take anywhere from 4 to 7 days off to let your body repair itself and also to rest, so you don't get into such thing called overtraining, which is when you can get injured and then your muscles don't repair enough, and then you just reach a plateau. And it's very important, even if you train 3 to 4 times a week, every 8 to 10 weeks, take just that 4 or 5 days off to relax and then get back in that routine for another 7 to 10 weeks. I train 6 days a week, so in my case, it's very, very important for me to make sure I don't forget to rest and to take that 1 week off. What I wanted to film today was a combination workout of arms, meaning biceps with triceps. I shot some videos kind of separating upper chest from lower middle chest, several back workouts. There's a shoulder workout. There's one extra one for real deltoid, which has been shot when I did my back workout last week, or the week before, I'm sorry. But now you have a few good exercise type routine you can follow or mix and match, depending on what your training schedule is or what your body part you want to train or how you want to combine muscle groups. So I will also do a separate video on how you can possibly combine different muscle groups, what it does and how and why, like I'm doing right now, just to switch up my routine a little bit. For the next few weeks I will be doing supersetting muscles and combining back with chest, arms together, and so on. So just to give myself a little bit of a difference in the training, so my muscle keeps guessing what's next, so it doesn't ever get used to the same things, So that being said, today I will record my biceps and triceps pump. The next video I will do is going to be another abdominal circuit, because I've only done one so far, and so that way you can also mix and match and start getting some variation in your training. So slowly but surely we'll get to having so many different videos, you can mix and match them. So let's get started and let's pump it up. Okay guys, so that was it for today's workout. So we did biceps and triceps combined together. So the way it works, you do a set on your biceps or triceps, whichever you want to start with first, and then right away you do that set of 12 with no rest. You go and do your set on the other muscles. So let's say you start with triceps, you do your set of 12, then you go to do your biceps. While you're pumping your biceps, your triceps is resting, okay? But your body is not really resting because your cardio remains at a high level. So this is even a higher level of intensity. So you kind of have to be in good condition to do that. But it's also one of the fastest way to pump it up, get muscle, and cut the body. But I'll touch base more on how to group muscles together. So stay focused, stay lean, eat healthy, and follow me on my channel for more videos that I'll be doing soon, and have a great day.